Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to use CapCut with TikTok. So in this video, I'm gonna show you if you are using TikTok and you want to use it with CapCut. So this video is absolutely for you. So first of all, you guys must have to install TikTok and CapCut app on your mobile phone. So after installing up those mobile phone, there are basically two ways. The first way is to using effects and audios. The second one is using TikTok edited templates. So in the first method, you guys have to simply open up new project. So after selecting that video on CapCut, you guys can go to Audio Center, and in the Audio Center, you guys have to just click on Sounds. Now here, what you guys have to do is you guys have to simply sign in with TikTok. Basically, whenever you want some audio to use in your editing application, you download it and import it to any editing software. But in CapCut, there is an advantage. If you want some specific TikTok audio to be on in your video, so you guys have to just simply save the video on the TikTok, and you guys have to just simply sign in with TikTok through here in CapCut application, and CapCut will fetch all of those favorite audios in CapCut directly. So you guys can directly select those music by just single tap. And you guys can also use the TikTok viral effects. Most of the time you guys will see lots of trending videos and lots of visual effects are applied on that videos, and you want that effects in your video. So you guys have to just simply open up CapCut application and go to Effect Center. So here in the effects, click on video effects, and you guys must have to update CapCut application regularly because it produces lots of effects daily basis. So you guys have to just simply upgrade this application, and in this effect center you guys will be able to see the lots of viral effects on TikTok. So you guys can also apply those effects on your video and make your video viral. And the second one is using a CapCut templates. So in the TikTok, lots of time you guys will see a person is providing you template of CapCut. So I'm gonna tell you how you can use those templates. Templates are basically pre-made editing. You guys just have to add your own clips and your edit will be ready. So let's head over to TikTok and I'm gonna show you how you can use those CapCut templates. So here I have opened a video in a TikTok, and you guys can see there is a template available in this video. You guys can also see the CapCut try this template. You guys have to just simply click on this option, and after clicking on this option you guys have to just simply click on use template in CapCut. It will automatically reopen it in CapCut just like this. So you guys have to just simply click on use template, and here you guys have to just simply select those clips in which you want to make that edits. So assume that I'm selecting this one, and you guys have to just simply click on next. And here you guys can see our edit has been ready. In this way you guys can use also CapCut templates from TikTok. And the last option is you guys can also export your videos directly to TikTok by CapCut. So in order to upload your videos on TikTok by CapCut, you guys have to just simply make an edits on the video, and you guys have to simply export it by tapping on the top right corner of export button. And here you guys have to simply click on export without watermark. So after completely exporting, it will automatically redirect you to TikTok application, and you guys can also add effects and you guys can upload your video. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.